Hi friends, welcome back to the second part of the Cozy Christmas Winter Home tutorial. In the first part, we built our home, the fireplace and placed a Christmas tree also. So now let's deck up the interiors of our home with the couch, lamps, lights, etc. In case you haven't seen the part 1 video of this tutorial, please do click on the link in the I button above. So now let's begin the tutorial with making the couch. Cut chipboard pieces as per the measurements shown on the screen. Using these chipboard templates, trace the measurements on a sunboard and cut them. If you do not have sunboard, you can use foam sheet or chipboard itself. We'll need 2 pieces of each part. First, let's make the sofa seat. Stick 2 sunboard pieces together and then adhere some cotton wool over it for some cushioning. After that, wrap it with a cotton fabric. Similarly, repeat these same steps to make the arms of the couch. For the couch frame, take a 1.5 by 2 inches chipboard piece. Adhere 2 sunboard pieces cut for the backrest. Give a cotton wool padding and then wrap it with cotton fabric just as we did earlier. For a clean finish, cover the back of all these parts with black cardstock. Now attach all the parts of the couch as shown. Use a cotton twine to cover the joints of the couch. Adhere golden beads for the legs of the couch. And now adhere the couch as shown. We'll also adhere our grandpa and grandma miniatures from Dress My Craft. I'm also adhering some real tree twigs in front of the fireplace. For this small coffee table, cut a rectangular chipboard and adhere pattern paper from the romantic roses. Attach golden bead legs to it as we did earlier. Place this coffee table in front of the couch and adhere the plate and the sandwich miniatures from Dress My Craft on this table. For the flower pot, I pierced a small hole in the foam bed of the pot and then pierced a small bunch of flowers in it. Adhere the flower pot as shown. For the window, cut a 2.25 by 2.25 square frame. Adhere 2 thin strips across the 2 sides to make the window panels. Also adhere an acetate sheet from the inner side of the window. For some dimensions, take foam tapes on all the 4 sides of the window. Camouflage the tapes using the same colored marker as the pattern paper. Stick the window on the outer left wall. Fussy cut the beautiful door and stack of gifts from the Christmas bells pack and stick it on the outer right wall. This Merry Christmas embellishment is from the Welcome Santa transfer me sheet. Adhere it as shown. I have fussy cut some elements from the Christmas bells motif sheet as well. Adhere them in front of the Christmas tree. Also adhere a star on the top of the Christmas tree. For the lamps, I have used crystal drops, fuse wires and small bead caps. These are ideally used for making jewelry and charms, but I have used them in the most unconventional way. Pass the fuse wire through the bead cap. Hold the wire with a small plier and fill the bead cap with hot glue and then press the crystal drop into the bead cap. Using a wire cutter, cut the wire short. Pass another bead cap with its open end facing down. Using your plier, coil the end of the wire a few times and press it inside the bead cap. Fill the bead cap with hot glue and let it dry. Bend the wire horizontally and now the lamp is ready. I have made 4 such lamps. Adhere 2 lamps on the front wall and 1 lamp each on the side walls, just the way I am doing it. To make faux or artificial snow, apply modeling paste on the rooftop. If you do not have modeling paste, you can make your own paste by mixing baking soda, white glue and white acrylic paint. Generously sprinkle the rainbow glitter from Dress My Craft over the modeling paste. Repeat these steps to cover all the sides of the roof. I also applied some faux snow on the window as well. Set this aside for 2-3 hours for it to dry completely. Next, I am using fairy lights to light up the whole house. I am making sure that the tiny bulbs are placed in front of the lamps. I am also coiling the fairy lights twice around the Christmas tree. Place the battery base behind the couch so that it is not visible. Take a chipboard piece of 7 by 12 inches and stick 2 pieces of sunboard of the same size under it. On the top of the chipboard, stick silver glitter cardstock from Dress My Craft. This is going to be the base of our house. However, making this base is completely optional. I am adhering a wired fence around the base. Attach 2 sunboard or chipboard pieces under the house. Adhere the house in the center of the fenced base. Make sure to leave enough space behind the house to place the LED tea light candle. Also, do not forget to apply faux snow on the base of the house. This completes a cute little cozy winter home. So if you've enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with as many friends as you can. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you soon in a new video. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Take care and bye.